Why do Java developers wear glasses?
I don't know. Why do Java developers wear glasses?
Because we can't C#.
Welcome to the Techie Tessie channel. My name is Tess, and today we're going to be looking at the programming language C#. C# is a general-purpose, object-oriented programming language. If you already know what the term object-oriented means, feel free to skip ahead. I won't judge. For those of you who don't already know what object orientation is, well, let me tell you. Object-oriented programming, known as OOP or OOP, is a programming paradigm that helps us programmers link our code to the real world. We can split our code into classes and objects. A real-world example of a class would be animal, and objects of the animal class would be things like penguin or cat. As usual, we'll start with the very basics and work our way up to object orientation. Today I'm going to be coding in Visual Studio, and so to get started we go to File, New, Project. We make sure we've selected C# at the side. I'm just going to call the file basic since we're learning the basics, and the file extension used is .cs, which stands for C#. And we click OK. And it automatically creates some of the file for us, including a class, which we talked about in the intro, and our main method. So within the main method, I've written the line of code needed for the Hello World program, as that's always where we start. As you can already see, it's very similar to Java. In Java, we'd say system.out.println, whereas in C# we say system.console.writeLine. Hello World in brackets and in quotation marks. And don't worry about this line here, this is just so it'll show up on the console so you can clearly see. So if we click Start, as we can see here, it's printed Hello World. Now that we've looked at the Hello World program, we're going to look at variables and then we're going to look at object orientation. So C# is a strongly typed language, meaning when we declare variables, we need to declare their type. So here we have string color is black. We've said that the variable color is a string. Now, I've created the class animal, as I spoke about in the intro, and within this class, we have an object, and our object is cat. Objects are instances of a class. An object is an instance of a class. I reiterate this because this is often an important exam question. So if you're asked about classes and objects, an object is an instance of a class. So the class is animal, the instance or object is cat, and here I've said console.writeLine, the color of the cat. And as you can see, we've defined what the variable color is up here. So let's press Start, and there you go, it's printed black, which is the color of the cat. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep the code coming, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.